Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Moning Naranjitas. As every Thursday I post new video for you guys. I hope that you enjoy it. So today I will teach you how you can make your own sweet potato cheesecake in a healthy and delicious way. So let us start with the ingredients we need. We need 1/2 cup of almonds, 8 finished honey crackers with integral cereal, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extra, and the last one, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Now let's mix up all the ingredients together. We mixed all the ingredients together in this bowl or in the bowl that you want it. We're gonna mix all the ingredients together. You can use your hand or you can use a machine or mix all the ingredients. It's up to you. Okay, so now we're mixed already. We're gonna put it all the bit here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna press with our hands, or you can use a cup or a tall glass if you want. It's gonna be up to you. We're gonna press all of it and just move it out towards the edges. And the key is to get it up high, this part high. Don't worry about the bottom because it's easy to fix. Okay, I'm just using my hands in this way. You can use a hand or other things. It's up to you. Just press. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put in the fridge for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay guys, so now let's see what ingredients we need for the dough. The mixture: 1 kilogram of cooked sweet potatoes, 190 grams cream cheese, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 1/2 cup of water, and a tablespoon of vanilla extra, just 1. This is condensed milk, but it's gonna be up to you if you want to put sugar, or instead of condensed milk you can put stevia too. Okay, now let's mix up all the ingredients in a blender. Now mix up all the ingredients together in a blender until you get a smooth, perfectly creamy liquid. Okay, so we're gonna put all the mixture and this delicious, perfect, and also healthy. Really, really, really delicious. This is the best sweet potato cheesecake that I've made. Well, finally guys, after we put in the fridge for 3 hours, the sweet potato cheesecake is done. So let me show you the result. And another thing that I have to tell you is if you want to add 1 package of crushed cookies on the top, you can do it. Or maybe whipped cream or whatever you want. Well guys, I love to show you how you can make your own delicious sweet potato cheesecake in a healthy and delicious way. Well guys, without anything else more to say, I say goodbye with an energetic bear hug to each one of you, and we see another kind of video every Thursday. Goodbye!